What's been the most interesting part of your day so far?
I found myself enjoying a quiet walk that gave me space to think.
What's something new you've learned recently that surprised you?
I discovered that small changes in routine can completely shift my energy.
What's the first thought that crossed your mind when you woke up today?
I wondered how I could make the day feel more meaningful.
What's a memory that keeps coming back to you these days?
I keep recalling the laughter from last week's gathering with friends.
What's a sound that instantly makes you feel calm?
The rhythm of rain tapping against the window always settles me.
What's a place you've been that still feels vivid in your mind?
The old library with its wooden shelves and quiet corners stays with me.
What's a flavor that reminds you of home?
The taste of spiced tea always brings back family evenings.
What's a song that feels like it belongs to your story?
There's a melody that reminds me of long drives at sunset.
What's a book that left you thinking long after you finished it?
I remember one that challenged me to see ordinary life differently.
What's a moment when you felt completely at peace?
Sitting by the sea with nothing but waves around me gave me that feeling.
What's a conversation that changed the way you see things?
Talking with a mentor once shifted how I approach challenges.
What's a detail about today that you don't want to forget?
The kindness of a stranger who smiled while holding the door stays with me.
What's a color that feels like it belongs to your mood right now?
A deep shade of blue feels closest to how I feel.
What's a small victory you've had recently?
I managed to finish a task I'd been putting off for weeks.
What's a scent that brings back strong memories?
Freshly baked bread always reminds me of childhood mornings.
What's a way you've surprised yourself lately?
I realized I could stay calm in a situation that used to overwhelm me.
What's a moment when you felt truly connected to someone?
Sharing stories late at night with a friend gave me that sense of connection.
What's a dream that still feels close even after waking?
I had one about traveling through mountains that felt almost real.
What's a gesture that always makes you feel appreciated?
When someone listens fully without rushing, I feel valued.
What's a tradition that means a lot to you?
Lighting candles during quiet evenings feels like a ritual I treasure.
What's a challenge that taught you something important?
Learning patience during a difficult project gave me resilience.
What's a moment when you felt proud of yourself?
Completing a presentation with confidence gave me that pride.
What's a sound that makes you feel energized?
The strum of a guitar always lifts my spirit.
What's a way you like to begin your mornings?
I enjoy stretching and letting sunlight fill the room.
What's a detail about nature that fascinates you?
The way leaves change color feels like a quiet miracle.
What's a memory that makes you smile instantly?
Playing games with cousins during holidays always brings joy.
What's a way you found calm in a busy day?
Taking a few deep breaths helps me reset.
What's a moment when you felt inspired?
Watching someone speak passionately about their work gave me inspiration.
What's a way you like to end your evenings?
I enjoy reflecting on the day before resting.
What's a detail about your surroundings that you notice right now?
The soft glow of the lamp makes the room feel warm.
What's a memory that feels like a turning point?
Deciding to take a risk on a new path changed everything.
What's a sound that reminds you of childhood?
The call of street vendors always takes me back.
What's a way you've shown kindness recently?
I helped someone carry heavy bags without expecting anything in return.
What's a moment when you felt adventurous?
Trying a new trail without a map gave me that thrill.
What's a detail about a friend that you admire?
Their ability to stay calm under pressure inspires me.
What's a way you recharge your energy?
Listening to music in solitude helps me regain strength.
What's a moment when you felt grateful?
Receiving unexpected support during a tough time filled me with gratitude.
What's a detail about your favorite season that you love?
The crisp air of autumn always feels refreshing.
What's a way you've grown in the past year?
I've learned to trust my instincts more.
What's a memory that feels timeless?
Watching the stars with friends felt like it could last forever.
What's a sound that makes you feel nostalgic?
The whistle of a train always brings back old journeys.
What's a way you've celebrated small wins?
I treat myself to a quiet moment of joy.
What's a detail about your favorite meal that excites you?
The aroma of spices always makes me eager to eat.
What's a moment when you felt creative?
Sketching ideas late at night gave me that spark.
What's a way you've connected with nature recently?
I sat under a tree and listened to the wind.
What's a detail about your day that feels special?
The laughter I shared with a colleague brightened everything.
What's a memory that feels like a lesson?
Failing once taught me the value of persistence.
What's a sound that makes you feel alive?
The roar of waves crashing fills me with energy.
What's a way you've expressed yourself today?
I wrote down thoughts that had been circling in my mind.
What's a detail about your surroundings that comforts you?
The softness of the blanket makes me feel safe.
What's a moment when you felt hopeful?
Seeing someone achieve their dream reminded me that possibilities exist.
What's a way you've shared joy with others?
I told a funny story that made everyone laugh.
What's a detail about your favorite place that you cherish?
The smell of old books in the library always feels magical.
What's a moment when you felt calm despite chaos?
Sitting quietly with tea helped me stay centered.